Did you land a seasonal job? Well, here are some tips to make it a permanent one. Hi, my name is Jose with ISGF. We're a professional recruiting firm with over 30 years of experience matching exceptional talent with America's most prestigious companies. We're officially in the holiday season, which means temporary hiring is on demand. This is not only true for retail, but also for more specialized jobs like accounting and law. This also means that if you're in search for a job, depending on your qualifications, most recruiters might be contacting you for temporary positions. If you're in search of a full-time job, this might be frustrating. But fear not, there are ways to turn a temporary job into a permanent one. Make a lasting impression. Think of the job as a very long interview. Always be on time, wear professional clothes, have a good attitude, and pay attention to detail. This is your opportunity to show what you're made of and how well you perform in a short amount of time. Do your best in every task, no matter how small, and always keep smiling. Maximize your opportunities. Is the shift short on people? Is there an opportunity for overtime? Is someone needed to fill up a role for a sick employee? Then you are the one that always volunteers. Employers take notice, and of course the ones that go above and beyond, and they want them on their team for the long run. Make friends. Due to the holiday season haste, your employer will probably be too busy to monitor your growth within the company. This means that your coworkers will be the ones to recommend who should stay long-term. Instill yourself as an essential part of the team. Build relationships and make your coworkers your allies. Express long-term interest. Employers are not mind readers, and they won't know if you're interested in a long-term position unless you let them know. This simple action could be your employer's deciding factor to keep you indefinitely. Make yourself an asset. Learn the business and find ways to show that you can bring value and revenue to your employer past the holiday season. If you're in retail, learn the selling strategies of the best employees in the store. If you're an accountant, show your customer why it is necessary to use your services past the end of the year. Convince your employer of your long-term worth through action and logic. And there you have it. As you can see, if you handle your seasonal employment properly, you can turn that extra gift cash into a long-term salary. As always, make sure to subscribe, follow us on social media, and stay up to date on all our job seeking and career tips. This is Jose with ISGF, and I'll see you next time.